Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. I am Dr. Tehmina and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a consultant obstetrician and gynecologist. My area of expertise lies in fertility management, including IUI and IVF. I also specialize in surgery, mainly laparoscopic surgery and gynecological cosmetic surgery. But my passion lies in education, especially educating my viewers about various health-related topics. Down below you will find links to my website and other social media pages where you can connect with me, take an appointment, and find tons of other useful stuff. To take better care of yourself and your loved ones, follow my content, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's grow this family together.